Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator tutorial. In this we are preventing users or group of users from view, edit, create, delete an object by setting permission on an object. This can be done by profile or permission set. So let's see by profile. Profile is a collection of settings and permissions. Every user must have profile. Profile should have at least one app. It is of restrictive nature. Profile can be assigned to any user, but user can be assigned to only one profile. Profile are of two types: standard profile provided by Salesforce, custom profile, clone standard profile and use it. Permission set. Permission set is a collection of setting and permission. It is used to extend the permission. One user can be assigned to many permission sets. It is of adaptive in nature. It extends user functional access without changing their profile. So let's see an example. Hide student custom object from user A. To do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. So this I had login our main account Salesforce network, and also I need to log in the second account what I had created, user A. So let's see the user A account while clicking on administration. Under that users, click on users. So we had created one more user by the name user@network.com. So user name is user A. So let's log in with this account as well. Account to see the changes what we are doing from our main account, that is Salesforce network. So from the Edge browser I had logged in user A account. So let's see for the student object, is it visible or not? Yes, it is visible. So student object is visible and all the fields are also viewable. And there are some of the records. So these are the records. So again I am coming back to our main user account, that is Salesforce network. So from here just see what profile this user A is holding. System administrator new profile. So clicking on this profile, click on edit, scroll down, and in the custom object permissions, so here is the custom object permissions, and here student is there. So if I am unchecking this all, read, create, edit, delete, view all and modify all, and saving, after unchecking this all the boxes and saving this, in this situation we are not able to see the student object who is using this system administrator new profile. So again come back to our user A account and just refresh or reload the page. So now we are not able to see the student object. So like this, if we do not want to give the access of particular object, by this way we have to do. Again, if I am going this pencil icon, click on add more items, click on all, search for student. Here also it's not available. So like this we are hiding a particular custom object or any object from a user by using the profile. So to make it available, again we have to go to our main account or administrator account and have to check all the checkboxes for that particular object. So again coming back to our custom object permissions, and if we are going with and if we are checking this all the checkbox, we are able to see the student object in user A account. Just save this setting. Again come back to our user A account, reload this page. So now we are able to see this student object and all the details are coming over here. So like this we are hiding a particular object for particular profile and doing the vice versa. It controls whether a user can view, edit and delete the value for a particular field on an object. It is configured for a user's profile. Using field level security (FLS), administrator can controls whether a user can view, edit and delete. Let's see an example. Hide student custom object religion field from user A. So to see the changes, let's log into our Salesforce account. So let's verify in our app employee management system. Just click on EMS. On the student object, let's see what the fields are available. So name, gender, religion. So this is the field what we need to hide from user A account, and user A is holding system administrator new profile. So again just verify that user what the profile he is having. So under administration, expand users, click user. So this is user A at network.com. So this is using profile system administrator new. So again just log in with user A account. And here also let's verify what the fields are available for student object. Click on new. So here new, gender, religion is available over here. So we need to hide this religion field for user A, this account, who is using system administrator new profile. So again come back to our main user, that is Salesforce network, this. So go to system administrator new profile. So first is page layout, Then field level security coming under custom fields. So these are the custom field. So under this we need a student object. Click on view. In this we need a religion. This is a pick list, and read access, edit access is there. Click on edit button. Just remove the religion access from here and click on save button. So it's done. Again come back to our user A profile, user A account, reload the page. So now we are not able to see the religion field. For the student object. Again, if we are going to our main account, so again click on system administrator, new profile, click on edit at the same place. On the religion, just give the access, view and edit access, and click on save button. So it's done. Again it is visible for a student object. So again come back to our user A account, click on student, new. So we are seeing the religion field for user A account that is holding system administrator new profile. Record level security, OWD, organization wide defaults, determines baseline level of access for all records of an object. Who is the most restricted user of this object? Is there ever going to be an instance of this object that this user should not be allowed to view, edit? Role hierarchy, manager will have access to the records of his/her subordinates. Users who tend to need access to the same types of records can be grouped together. Let's see an example. Make student custom object records viewable only for user A and can't perform any operation like create, edit and delete. Whoever the owner of record could edit, create, delete and other can't. To do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. Open our application employee management system. So for the students object, there are these many records are there, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again verify here. The all records number is 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 records are there. So let's see how many records are created by this account, means Salesforce account, Salesforce network account. So first 002, the account owner of this record 002 is Salesforce network. Again for the next one 003, user A is owner of this particular record. So next one is Salesforce network, again 004, 5, again Salesforce network. So in all the records only 003 is record which is created by owner user A. So just log into our user A account. Here also just verify is the same thing is coming over here or not. So clicking on a student object, from here 002, owner is Salesforce network as we had seen in the Salesforce network account. 003 user A, yes. 004 Salesforce network, and 005 is again Salesforce network. So only 003 is the record which is created by user A. So coming back to our main account, Salesforce network account. So just click on setup. Under the settings, expand security. Click on sharing settings. So which object we have to make, that is a student object. So click on edit. So we have to make the access private. If we are giving the access private, it means it says that the owner of the record can view, edit, delete, or create a particular record. And on this object, the record is not going to view by the second user or any user from the org. So make it as private. Click on save button. So one or more sharing operations has been initiated. See below for additional details. Certain operation may not be available. So it's taking a bit of time. So sharing setting is done. Again cross verify. For this student object, the access become private. So after doing the sharing setting, again we have to cross verify the profile for that particular user. So just clicking on user. So for user A account, system administrator new profile he is using. So just come down and in the standard object permissions, so we need to check for the custom object permissions. Here we are seeing that student having view all and modify all access means it is dominating the OWD setting. So we need to edit this profile. Click on edit. Again just come to the custom object permission and uncheck view all and modify all, so that this setting will apply. Click on save button. So now if I am going with second account, that is user A account, so after clicking on a student, so now we are able to see only one record. Again just cross check all the student records. So we are seeing here only one record, and also that is created by user A account. So while providing the profile, uh, so when we are using the OWD sharing setting for a particular object private, then the person who is created that particular record will be able to view that particular record. Again, coming back to our main account, that is Salesforce network. So just click on App Launcher, search for Employee Management System, click here for a student. Uh, all the records are available. Click on all. So administrator can see all the records and do modification on all. So here we can see that 003 record is created by user A. Still Salesforce network user is able to see this record. Why? Because this is using system administrator profile. So like this we are applying the private sharing setting. Thank you.